the capital, child. Humidity is high, yeah, the heat is tropical. I'm looking for some shades, maybe cool down in the pool. I need a tabale, who can help me keep it cool. Walking through the shops, the vibe is energetic. The hustle in this place, man, it's almost magnetic. Who is running the show? Who is moving the stock? It's the man named Dan. He's the rock of the block. Yeah. I'm on East, come on East, come. I'm on East, come on East, come up. I'm on East, come on East, come. I'm on East. From you need a soda, go and see Dan. If you need the power, he got the plan. At Exotic Fiji, yeah, the variety is sweet. From the DBD to the shoes on your feet. He's working hard, hard. Yeah, he's the star. You wanna start? That the man at Exotic. He's raising the bar. One and a boom. Awesome. Current go off, oil let, oh no. Don't worry about the blackout. Dan got the generator, saw the power track out. You want the latest movie? He got the DVD. Action, romance, or the comedy. Maybe swimming pool for the kids in the yard. All the LED lights when the night is falling hard. He don't take a rest now, he committed to the grind. Best service in Suva that you ever gonna find. So I say, he ain't got no time to waste. He moves with style and he moves with ace. So total customer comes first, that's the golden rule. Dan keeps it steady and he keeps it cool. I'm on East, come. I'm on East, come on East, come up. I'm on East, come on East, come. Listen closer now. Some people talk the talk, but then walks the walk. Vinaka Vakalevu for the hard work. Uptown gang, tell 'em drum roll builds a bed. Those are mine.